In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card payments on Shopify. Setting up a reliable and efficient payment system is crucial for your online store's success, and Shopify offers several ways to do just that. Whether you're using Shopify Payments or a third-party provider, this guide will walk you through the entire process so you can start accepting payments seamlessly. Let's begin by heading to the payment settings within your Shopify dashboard. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin area, look to the bottom left of your screen and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Payments. This section is essentially the control center for handling all payment-related settings for your store. The next thing you'll want to determine is whether Shopify Payments is available in your country. Shopify Payments is the platform's built-in method allowing you to accept credit and debit cards directly without the need for third-party services. This feature is wonderfully convenient, but unfortunately, it's only accessible in certain countries. If you find that Shopify Payments is available to you, great! You'll be able to enjoy not only ease of setup, but also a streamlined experience when managing your transactions. For those lucky enough to have access to Shopify Payments, activating it is your next step. In the Payments section under Settings, you'll find a section labeled Shopify Payments. Click on Activate or Complete Account Setup as prompted. You'll need to fill out some essential business details during this phase. This information includes your legal business name, your bank account details, and your tax or business registration information. Note that Shopify might require you to enable two-step authentication for additional security during this process, which is a smart move to keep your account safe. Now, if Shopify Payments isn't available in your country, don't worry. Shopify supports a variety of third-party payment gateways that can also handle credit card transactions. Depending on your location, you'll have several options. For example, if you're operating in the Philippines, you might consider the Maya Checkout plugin, as it ensures seamless credit and debit card acceptance. Similarly, HitPay and PayMongo are excellent options, both offering support for credit card payments and other local methods. After choosing and activating your payment method, it's critical to configure your payment options. Double-check that credit and debit card payments are activated, and enable any additional features such as fraud protection and 3D Secure if necessary. If you're using a third-party gateway, this is the time to input any required credentials or API keys they provide. Finally, always remember to run a test order to make sure everything is running smoothly. Conduct a practice transaction, which you can later cancel or refund, to verify that your credit card payment setup is functioning correctly. Take this opportunity to check if the funds are transferring to your bank account and confirm that transaction fees are what you expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing credit card payments on Shopify, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your customers. Happy selling!